Hi everyone, today I'm wearing a striped sweater. It's a sweater weather here. I think we need a simple stripe pattern. This is made with worsted yarn, which is dream. We have this dream yarn. So this is 100% merino wool and very soft and fluffy. So this is knitted with worsted yarn, and it's very simple simple pattern. So its stripe goes bottom and the sleeves and around the neck. This is kind of scoop neck, I think, so it's easy to wear it. I have another sample. This is our new pink and polar bear, and this is moody blues, which is blue and polar bear. So you can pick two colors and you can mix. And I think any combination is cute. So this hot pink is always a good idea. And so this is made with our dream yarn. Dream yarn is 100% merino wool, and it's worsted weight, but also it's a single ply. It's very floppy and light and soft. And I'm gonna try on the other color too. So this is like regular lengths you can wear with jeans and skirt and dress. I wanna make it something very easy to wear it. You can just wear a jeans and wear this, and you can ready to go. Hope you like it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.